Demotivational ideas and how to live down to earth. In the world of self-improvement and personal growth, the focus is often solely on motivation. Yet, we rarely discuss its counterpart, demotivation. Despite its negative connotation, it can be a tool to help us live a more grounded, down-to-earth life. Let's first break down what demotivation is. Simply put, it's a lack of desire or enthusiasm to perform a task. It's often seen as a bad thing, something to be avoided. But what if we told you it could be beneficial? Demotivation can be a signal. It can indicate that you are perhaps overwhelmed, or that the task at hand isn't in alignment with your values. Instead of fighting this feeling, listen to it. This is your first step to living more authentically. For example, if you're feeling demotivated at work, it might be a sign that you're not in the right job. Instead of pushing through the discomfort, use this as an opportunity to reassess your career path. This kind of introspection can lead to a more fulfilling professional life. Next, demotivation can help us prioritize. We often want to do it all, but that's not always feasible or healthy. If you're feeling demotivated about certain tasks, it may be your mind's way of telling you to focus on what truly matters. Now let's talk about how demotivation can help us live a more down-to-earth life. In our achievement-driven society, we often place our worth on external accomplishments. This can lead to burnout and a feeling of never being enough. By embracing demotivation, we can shift our focus from constantly striving for more to appreciating what we have. This doesn't mean settling for less, but rather finding contentment in simplicity. Living down to earth also means recognizing that it's okay to not always be motivated. It's natural to have ups and downs in life. By accepting this, we can reduce unnecessary stress and pressure on ourselves. Moreover, demotivation can lead to self-discovery. It forces us to pause and reflect on our desires and needs. By doing so, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and make choices that truly align with our values. Lastly, remember that being down to earth isn't about being stagnant. It's about being realistic and grounded in your approach towards life. It's about understanding that success isn't just about reaching the top, but also about enjoying the journey. So next time you feel demotivated, don't panic. Instead, see it as an opportunity to reassess, reprioritize, and reconnect with your authentic self. Use it as a tool to live a more grounded, down-to-earth life. After all, our worth isn't determined by how much we achieve, but by who we are as individuals. In conclusion, demotivation isn't something to be feared. In fact, it can be a guiding light towards a more authentic, down-to-earth life. So embrace it, learn from it, and let it guide you towards a life that truly reflects your values and desires.